My name is Connor, and I'm here to present my team's CS411 database systems project. I'm in a team with Matt Rastovac and Shreya, and our project is called MSC. The gist of our project is being able to visualize your network better than you could through Facebook or Twitter or LinkedIn alone. So the idea is that we actually aggregate a bunch of data from these different sources, such as Facebook and Twitter, and display them all in one place so you can easily view, manipulate, sort, and search. So I'm just going to go ahead and refresh the page here to log in. The password is password. And this loads a user associated with that account. And the user associated with that account is actually named Shreya here, and all their connected friends and the links between them. And then the interesting thing is that for every single node on here, this is me right here, you can click and see the associated key value pairs. So just like in lecture, we learned that you can't quite implement a non-relational database very efficiently in relational databases. We actually implemented this with a key value table, so not every person has to have every attribute. So in this case, I only have an occupation, an age, and a location. And so you can check this out on individual people and even on the links between people. So you can see if an attribute, like if somebody is linked together because they both went to the same high school. You could see on the link if they're high school or they were linked because of their location. Just another interesting thing we have built into the platform. Another thing that we wanted to do was make it easier to search and view the network. So in this example, we're going to go ahead and add an interest filter. I'm going to go ahead and add that, and this is going to be, let's make it crop science. And as you can see, whoops, I accidentally removed it. So once I have crop science, it automatically highlights in the graph people that have crop science associated with that person. So you can easily see the people with that specific attribute. So I'm just going to lock these down in the same group, and there we go. So if you want to add a node, you can go over here, and I'm going to go ahead and add my brother Aiden. And it actually automatically adds it to the graph up here and reloads the page. So the assumption also is made that when we're adding a person that we add a link between the current logged in user and that person, because we're assuming that you want to be associated with that person. Jumping off that, you can also add links to specific people. So for example, if you wanted to add a link between these two people or a link between somebody else that's not showing up here yet, you can add new links as well.